Hello and welcome to another English grammar lesson on this channel. Today's topic is trip versus journey. These two words are similar. They are often confused by English learners in their sentences. Let us examine the difference and then use them to fill up these gaps. While we do so, you will understand when to use them in your conversations. Okay? Trip and journey are similar in meaning. They both refer to travel. Travel is the general activity of traveling. The difference is that trip is a short travel. Short travel. So when you are talking about short travel, use trip. Its main focus is on the purpose for the travel. Okay? Now, journey is used for longer distance. Longer distance. So when you are referring to a long distance, use journey. It requires more time, more effort, and its main focus is on the experience. Okay? Experience of the travel. All right. So while trip focuses more on the purpose, journey focuses on the experience. So use trip when you're making a short visit to a place. Use journey when you're traveling for a longer distance, which requires more time, effort, and more experience. Okay? With this information, let's fill up these gaps. While we answer these questions, you understand better on how to use trip and journey correctly in your conversations. 1. The bus blank took 6 hours. You can see this is 6 hours is a very long time to travel. So the right word to use is journey. Okay, the bus journey took 6 hours. 2. We are planning a family blank next weekend. In this sentence, you can see that it has to do with family. That means there's a purpose for the travel. So when the purpose is the focus, use trip. Here, the family is traveling for a short visit. So trip is the correct word. 3. Her blank to success was not easy. Here, the sentence talks about making great effort to achieve success. So when there is much effort involved, use journey. Her journey to success was not easy. 4. I went on a short blank to Abuja yesterday. You can see there is short here, so we don't need to think twice. It has to be trip. I went on a short trip to Abuja yesterday. 5. The train blank was very tiring. Having tiring here shows that it's for a longer distance. Okay? When it has to do with longer distance, do not use trip, use journey. The train journey was very tiring. 6. His business blank starts on Monday. Now, what is the purpose of the travel here? For business purpose. When the focus is on the purpose, do not use journey, use trip. His business trip starts on Monday. 7. The blank across the desert was dangerous. Having dangerous here means that it's all about experience. Experience. So when the travel has to do with experience, use journey. The journey across the desert was dangerous. They enjoyed their holiday blank to Kenya. What do you think about this one? It's obvious it's a short visit. It's a short visit for holiday. So when it's a short visit, use trip. They enjoyed their holiday trip to Kenya. 9. The blank from my village to the city took all day. Having all day here shows that it's a long distance travel. So the correct words to use is journey. The journey from my village to the city took all day. 10. She wrote about her life blank in a book. Talking about life shows that it is all about experience. And when it has to do with experience, do not use trip, use journey. She wrote about her life journey in a book. 11. Our school blank was cancelled because of the rain. This obviously is about a short visit. And when it has to do with a short visit, use trip. The school was to make a short visit and it was cancelled. So our school trip was cancelled because of the rain. The long blank by sea made everyone sick. Having long here shows that it is a long distance travel. So the correct words to use is journey. The long journey by sea made everyone sick. You can see the experience is also stated here. It made everyone sick. 13. He is on a work blank in London. This has to do with a short trip. There's a purpose for this travel, which is for work. When there's a purpose, use trip. It's for a work purpose. So he is on a work trip in London. 14. Learning English is a long blank. Now you will ask yourself, learning English, is it easy? Should it be a long trip or a long journey? What do you think? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Bye for now.